Hello and welcome to Beau, Hannam, Guitars and Ukuleles. In this video I'm just going to be explaining to you why it's important to not have so much string windings wound up on the string post for a nylon instrument, a ukulele, a guitar, classical guitar or even steel string guitar. So stay tuned. Strings stretch, and they stretch more the longer they are, of course. And this started out sort of in the range of where you want it, but because these strings have stretched quite a lot and I've continued to tune them up to pitch, there's just an excessive amount of windings on this post now and on all these. See how much, see the string, it just completely covers that post, and on these two here it's actually started to double up on the post, and that's just way too much. So the reasons for doing this, for getting rid of this excess string, is it will be far easier to tune. There'll be less string to stretch because even this string on the post will be stretching because this stretches a bit slower than this area or this area, but it still will stretch. And so the least amount of string you can have, the better. Like that. So you don't really have to take the whole thing out. And that's tuned again. And I took out about 3-4 inches. So there's the second tuner that I just did, and you can see that it looks far nicer. After another day or two, I might have to do this again for all these strings. I'm going to have to do that for all of these, but I'll just do those today and then probably again tomorrow or the next day. So you can get them all looking like that after a week, then you're doing very well, and your tuning will be far easier. So I hope you liked that video. If you found it interesting and informative and all that, please give this a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.